Hello, this is Comfort again and welcome to my kitchen flavors. In this video, I'm going to show you how to roast peanuts on your stovetop and achieve perfectly crunchy, fully cooked and flavorful ones all of the time. Okay, to start out, you want to add 2 teaspoons of salt to a bowl, followed by 2 tablespoons of water. Whisk that up until the salt has dissolved. The next 2 ingredients are completely optional. A pinch of freshly ground black pepper and half a teaspoon of ginger powder. This is just going to give my peanuts a hint of spice, which is always amazing. Next, you want to add 2 cups of your peanuts to a mixing bowl. Follow that up with the seasoned water. Go ahead and mix all the ingredients up so that the peanuts are nicely coated with the liquid. Transfer your coated peanuts to your skillet and spread them evenly over the base of the pan. Alright, next we're just going to move this over to the cooker. For the next 20 minutes, you are going to constantly stir your peanuts using a wooden spoon. So make sure you have factored in this time, okay? A vital thing to note when roasting peanuts on the stovetop is that the heat must be very low throughout. Don't be tempted to hurry the process along by increasing the heat, or your peanuts will end up burning or having black spots on the skin while remaining uncooked on the inside. Now, after about 6 to 8 minutes, you'll notice that the moisture around the peanuts has dried up and they're changing color to an ashy pink, as you can see in the video. This is a really good thing. It means that you need to pay closer attention because the skillet at this point is really hot and the peanuts are roasting more quickly, meaning you cannot stop stirring them. After some more time, you will also notice that some of the peanuts will start bursting or making a popping sound. That's a sign that things are happening and your peanuts are roasting bulungi and are almost fully cooked. To confirm this, you just want to take a nut or 2 or 3 out of the skillet and rub it between your thumb and forefinger. You have to be really careful though because it's hot. If the whole skin comes off easily like what you are seeing, then the peanuts are fully cooked. If not, then you need to give it a bit more time. Since mine have roasted bulungi, I'm just going to move them over to a platter to cool down completely. They will become more crunchy as they cool down. And while that is happening, allow me to share a beautiful truth that I know is going to bless your heart. So at this point, my peanuts have been cooling down for about 20 minutes and I just want you to listen to the crunch. Ah, isn't that so perfect? Now you just want to transfer your crunchy roasted peanuts into an airtight container where they can be stored for up to 2 weeks. I hope that this has inspired you to roast some crunchy, flavorful peanuts on your stovetop. I thank you for watching, liking, and sharing this video and subscribing to this channel. Until next time, may goodness, mercy, and favor chase you down and overtake you in the name of Jesus.